Hey guys, welcome to Paper Chaser TO. You're watching this video because you want to make yourself this sliding mug card. This is a quick and easy project, and the template comes with 4 different variations. So to make a sliding mug card, all the materials are on the screen right now. Start off with pieces A and B. We're gonna feed piece B through the slit on piece A. Piece A will end up being the inside of your mug, while piece B is the mug's contents. So in my mug, this beautiful brown cardstock is definitely coffee. So once you have piece B through the slit of piece A, slide it up and down a little bit to make sure it can move freely. Then fold over on all of the scored lines on piece A. Now we want to add glue strategically along the top, tab, and bottom as shown on the screen to sandwich piece B inside of piece A. Fold piece A closed, making sure that the tab is tucked underneath nicely. And we want to make sure that the piece B isn't glued down anywhere wrong. So again, slide it up and down a bit. Now piece C is the outside of the mug. And next we will be gluing all of the accessory pieces onto it. So on screen today, I am showing you how to make the Santa mug. So you'll have the handle, the trim, the belt, the buckle, and the 3 buttons. So you'll see me glue the handle on first, and then struggle a bit when I'm gluing the belt down. So do as I say, not as I do. You'll glue the trim down, slide the buckle onto the belt, glue that down second, and then glue the handle on. Then we'll glue the buttons along the center of the mug to complete Santa's coat. Now we'll glue piece C to piece A. Again, we'll only want to place the glue on certain areas of these pieces. So just on the underside of the slit of piece A and along the bottom half of piece C and along the rim. To be sure that we haven't glued piece B down, give it a pull here again. Continuing on with the decorative pieces, we will piece together the candy cane by gluing the top layer to the bottom and then setting that aside. Taking your whipped cream pieces, you'll notice that one of them is slightly smaller than the other. We will glue the bigger piece down first onto the top of piece B. Then we will glue the candy cane into place, and then using your foam dimensionals, we're going to prop the smaller piece on top of the bigger piece. And once you have that smaller piece glued down into place, you are finished your sliding mug card. Like I said at the beginning of the video, this template comes with 4 different variations. So you've got the Santa, the snowflake, the Christmas tree, and the heart. Not only that, there are 2 different variations of piece B. So one where it is completely solid and one with these little notches where you can slide in a gift card. And I hope you guys have enjoyed that template. Remember, you can find all of the templates and more on my website at paperchaser.to. This also includes a blog section with the written instructional. If you do give this template a try, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more. Until next time, bye!